God, Soup Soul. It's you. How do you do, Soup Soul? Um. mm, mm, mm. I'm just gonna go get my notebook, and I'll be back. So we can jump into testing, because we're gonna be testing basically most levels. I have to restart writer.
Soupsel said, "Hello, I won't be on for long, just thought I'd say hi."
Well, glad to have you here for the duration. Let's see here. It's weird. Hello. Oh, you'll also leave soon? Okay. My friends are graduating today. I'm gonna give them so much alcohol. Okay, exciting. And also, let's Textures. Like, Lard is so ominous for the ad breaks. I need to change his lighting. So tomorrow they're going to do a kickoff for this game jam that I want to participate in. I think that's going to be exciting. So I am going to be making, I'm probably going to dedicate part of the stream to make this game jam game, and it's going to be a multiplayer game. So we're going to have some fun with that on stream. Yeah, it's terrain data. Yeah, it's I don't know what kind of game, because they haven't announced the theme yet, so I don't know what kind of game I'm going to be making, but I want to make something in the vein of Penguin World, so like you know, persistent multiplayer, but I think we'll figure this out together. I think I want to workshop the idea with you guys. But what I know is that no one else in the game jam is going to do any sort of multiplayer game. I know that 100%. Because no one dares. But I think it would be cool to do some kind of multiplayer game. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I'd host it on my own computer. I might want to host it on like something like Amazon Web Services or whatever, AWS, but again, I don't know if that's gonna cost too much for me. I don't want to, you know, spend a bunch of money on this game. I haven't looked into the actual costs of hosting a server, but we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna go get my notebook. Yeah, I think that would probably be pretty fun. I think you know, for a game jam to be fun, there has to be participants, and I don't think with the current membership we have or the current activity that there's any reason to do it. But my hope is that with Penguin Springs, we'll see like a big uptick in user activity. That's my hope. But today we're just going to be working strictly on Penguin Heist and trying to just finish up, because we're working on like a new update, and that fish is like setting up so we can like build stuff like that. So we're going to be able to do like tests, because we need to test this. Like, single player is basically all working as it should. But I so far have not tested multiplayer at all, like other than just trying to connect and doing the rudimentary whatever. So there's a lot of testing that needs to be done for Penguin Heist, which is why I wrote down a bunch of shit yesterday that I need to get done today. But I'm just gonna go run, get my notebook, and I'll be back. Hey, so basically what I've written down in a notebook is like playthrough of every single level. So I've written down name for name. It was kind of fun yesterday challenging myself to recall the name of every single individual level, because I knew there were 18. It's just I couldn't recall the name of the Japanese and Chinese level, so I literally just wrote China level and Japan level. It's something Cherry Blossom with the Japanese one, but I just could not figure out the name of Jade Mountain. Jade Mountain, that's the Chinese one. Okay, yeah. Well, I guess I could remember them, but Cherry Blossom something, right? Cherry Blossom Island or whatever. Japanese one. But it was I can recall easily the sort of starting ones. So like Research Station, Playa del Sol, Military Base, and then all the Pongo ones. So Pongo City, Pongolantis, Pongton, those came easily. Then obviously the Nile, Etu Bingus, which is also like Pongo Rome, you know, remember that one. Fish City came, Wildest West, and then I wrote China level, Japan level, and then I started having trouble remembering. And then came Pumpkin Harvest, Gold Flipper. Gold Flipper, kind of iconic name. Dark Castle came quite late, which I was surprised. King Pingnar Mines came also very late. To struggle to remember that one. Not because I don't think it's a forgettable level. I think it's just that it has a more abstract theme than the rest of them. Like it's in a sort of nondescript snowy cave location. But like the moment to moment things that happen in it are quite cool. Like going through the mines, entering King Pingnar's cave there and stuff. Logging camp, and the last one to remember was on a rail. Yeah. I'm surprised it took me so long, but at the same time, it's also in many ways I don't think of it as a level per se, because it is yeah, the racing one. Well, those aren't levels, they're more just like mini games. So I guess I need to try out survival and stuff as well. I'm just gonna, yeah, so we'll just need to check here. It's item on destroy. Right. Well, here we can do if AI manager. Weird it's not highlighting this. Anyway. Okay. I don't know why it's looping that way. So you click easy and then... Oh, I guess it's not initializing it. So we're probably on medium already. Class. Difficulty selector. Wait, what the fuck? Why is there like AI shit? I don't want AI completion. I'm gonna disable that. Okay. Right. D dot difficulty text. Wait, let's see here. Is it just like computer issues? Oh, here. Difficulty text. It's just one. Okay, I mean, it should be set. Difficulty manager, set difficulty. Change difficulty. The green dots. Ah, shit. I'm gonna disable the plugin called Rainbow Brackets. And I do not need AI Assistant. Or maybe I wouldn't mind it for the AI naming. I don't know what that, like, name variables for me or something. That's nicer. Okay, but why is it not setting the... Like, the text there starts as easy. Like, this should be set in update. Oh, there isn't... Oh, there is a network object. Oh, wait, if has state authority. So we can do there. If has state authority. And we'll just reboot it and see here. Oh, if not has state authority, shit. Um, mm, 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 mm. If AI manager dot instance. Wait, it's like still doing AI shit. Unless it's some new autocomplete, but I don't think so. Wait, settings, AI, AI assistant. No, do not enable. There. No, I think one of the worst things you can do is start coding with an AI because it's gonna completely cripple your... Oh shit, I haven't been sharing my screen at all. Oopsie. Sorry, guys. One of the worst things you can do is have an AI do all the coding for you, like while you're actively coding. Having AI autocomplete, because it's just gonna absolutely decimate any muscle memory you're trying to build when it comes to like being able to confidently code by yourself. I just think that's an absolutely bizarre way of coding, especially, I mean, assuming that the AI is all-knowing and all-powerful and can do everything perfectly, then sure, you know, go ahead, you know, let the AI do its thing, but it is not that smart. It is not. It's like the set difficulty is not actually setting the difficulty. Like it's only changing the text. Let's see here. So you change the difficulty and the difficulty text changes, and then we set the difficulty. Okay, you can't even leave. Okay, well, I need to set that. Leave. Okay, okay. Yeah, so that one's not. Oh, okay. Wait. I think that's the problem. So if state authority. Right, okay. That's it. I'm never turning off my computer again. Yeah, might be a good decision. Hello, Patricio. By the way, what do you guys think of the little Easter eggs there on the right with the penguins? You have a full cabinet. Like, see, it jumps from easy to hard instantly. I think the problem is that we don't set the text at the start. Yeah, they look like marketable action figures. That's what I'm saying, dude. That's what I'm saying. Or we could do this. Can do a public void refresh tech. I feel like key promoter is not really doing its thing. Can you search the videos? Hi, what are you making? I'm making a game called Penguin Heist. Penguin Heist. Or Clash of Penguins, available on Android and iPhone. Yes, it's time to watch some videos, I think. Okay, let's watch this one for a while. Lost the,
No, not really.
This video can contain very dumb and AI humor and, of course, love-making scenes. Oh shit, okay.
Preview.
He is chronically offline.
What a boring day. I think I can just bust a nut on Notbop's mark.
Not gonna lie, that fish. You should make a robber boss fight song and help lazy fish to fill the file cabinet. If you don't, I'm gonna get freaky on you.
Can't be defrauded.
Good. I will be back later. I'm gonna take a smoke break.
Oh
I've
god.
finally finished the song. Now I can have a butt bagels.
You didn't make the 2 songs I asked for. I'm gonna fuck you, that fish.
No.
No, wait, you just asked for one soon. No, please.
God. Oh wait, it's ad break. I shouldn't be watching this. I should take a break while the ads are running. I hope you guys didn't miss. Like, are you seeing this, Patricio? I just paused it, so that's why it's not running. Pause it while the ads are running. But I mean, yeah, this is definitely one of your masterpieces for sure. This is oh, 8 seconds. Okay, so you didn't miss much then. Definitely one of your masterpieces. So this is the concept for this one is it's Robber making the video. Like it's the Robber character is making the video about that fish. The ads are over, so okay. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, and this one is probably one of my 2 penguins in one best scene effect ever. Okay, so the concept for this video is I guess what the video will tell us. 2 penguins, 1 fish.
Hello, dear penguins. My name is Pen. And hi, my name is Gin. And today, we're going to cook a fish. But first, we need properly attire. Oh yeah, the attire.
You recorded the same shot in the same
Now
place?
that we have
Okay.
the attire, we need the fish. But we are penguins, we can eat it raw. We are supposed to cook the fish. No, eat it raw. I'm sorry. Come here, you little shit. Now that we have the fish, we need to remove the fish bones and the scales. We're gonna cut this part because it's a little extend. Oh shit. Somebody help him. He thought it was a good idea to eat the fish bones. Now that the fish is clean, we need to condiment it. So, let's go. Now that we need to put the fish in the furnace. Now in this part, we need to wait until the fish get cooked. Nothing can get wrong if you get the time right.
Oh, okay. Health going
That's
down.
how you make a fish. That's all for this video. Until the next occasion. Bye bye.
Hey,
Holy
Roblox.
shit. What are you doing with the fishes?
That was nice. That was nice. I like the editing effects. It was nice. You wouldn't suspect that it was recorded by one person. You would think it's multiplayer. Your video? Hello, Sai. Where's your video? Can you... It's easier... I don't know, maybe we should have like... I saw Freaky Post 5, if that's what you're wondering. I did see that one.
Computer bop. AI bop.
Your video about the horse racing. Is it in speedrunning? I haven't watched the horse racing videos, by the way, because I wanted to react. Um. Yeah, I watched this one on stream, but we'll start from here. I know Piss Horse got a suit. I like that guffer.
This is Mr. Penguin. Easily pressed.
Oh, thank you so much for
subscribed.
you're gonna have an interview. Thanks so much for subscribing, Sai. Appreciate it. Wait, why is he so fast? No, okay, I don't know. It looked like the pink one is faster. We got a speed buff or something, but oh shit, blue won that one? No. Oh. Has Piss Horse had a losing streak? Because I haven't seen much commotion in chat. Name a car for an edit. Vroom vroom? I don't know. I don't like blue. I don't care for blue. Layla? That's bullshit horse. Bullshit horse for sure. Oh, hell yeah. Piss Horse with a suit again. Hello, fat ass. Fat ass Yoshi. I mean, Piss Horse is definitely performing in this race, I gotta say. But I don't think Piss Horse is gonna win this one. Just judging by the reactions being had in general in chat on the Discord. I mean, it's a great performance, stellar performance from. Holy shit, he did it in a tux, no less. Oh my god, even a tux edit in the image. That one is Fire Mango. Based tuxedo, Piss Horse winning. I'll check it out as soon as I'm done with the racist Mega. Here's the important one. Okay, yeah, supposedly. Oh shit, they're back in the races. I guess they're moving faster this time around though. But that's a new horse, right? The red one is a new one. We haven't seen red before. Like, this map sucks, but they just don't get in, do they? Like, if red steals it, this is the important one, and that. Like, what's even the point of watching this one when it's like 2 minutes long of them just bouncing around? Like, there's... Oh! He gets so close so many times. I mean, red is definitely less knowledgeable of the map than Lavender. I think Lavender's training in here has definitely paid off. Wow. What a comeback. What a comeback. Moonlight on a bench. Oh. And then you have this one. I mean, Piss Horse is definitely... It's always, you know, Brown and Piss Horse have an equal footing, I would say, in terms of, like, skill. For sure. But I mean, look at that. Like, Piss Horse just uses the other horses to its advantage. It is immaculate. The skill on show here. Okay, unlucky for sure. Oh, bouncing right back. You know, you think that, oh yeah, he's lost it, but he just jumped right back in. I mean, he's just playing with the competition at this point. I mean, look at that. It's insanity. This is amazing. Absolutely wonderful race. Incredible. I'm gonna 7 wins. It's like absurd. He is so good at racing. Yeah, he is a unit. He is absolute unit. Okay. No, I mean, it's like Piss Horse is just absolutely just toying with the competition at this point. He can lose 3 races in a row and it won't even hurt his track record, you know? It just doesn't matter to him. Like, look at that.
Alice this very just said, I hope you guys have an amazing day.
He's just playing around. And then, of course, I mean, Brown, per usual. Pooh Horse, as we call him. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Alice. By the way. I was too caught up in the competition here. I don't know. It's just like something about Brown and Yellow here. Just a lot of skill on display. Red is doing some sort of weird performance here for sure. I mean, at this point, you know, Yellow can do whatever. It's tough track. And Brown comes in clutch. I mean, I'm okay with that. I have a lot of respect for Brown. I think Brown's a capable racer. Brown always was a capable racer. Well done. Okay, you tagged it in fan art. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think I saw this one, but we'll watch it again. Love to see it. Okay, we'll start on easy here. And we'll just play Playa del Sol, and I guess we'll rush through the level, honestly. I'm just gonna bring a better weapon so we can save Chef. Thinking like minigun. Mjolnir. Ah. So yeah, I went to Waterfall this weekend. That was fun. It was like a spontaneous trip down the south coast of Iceland. Was fun. A 2-hour trip. Yeah, here it doesn't spawn. No network object component. Okay, well that's good to know. Well, we can fix that. Did you stream yesterday? No, I did not, because it was a holiday. Yeah, you like the characters? Yeah, I'm gonna try to add a bit more stuff as well. maybe add a bit more motion, maybe some animations to them so they're not just standing there still. Because I want it to be seen that it's an actual 3D scene I'm working in, not just like a background. I think I want to add maybe some motion to the lights, because right now the lights are just completely static. Gravity disruption. I'm just gonna restart and see that I can actually use the yeah, it feels more like me. Not that I'm sitting in an RGB room. I'm not at all. My room is more like grayish brown, sort of more office style. But for the purpose of the stream, I think, you know, we're going for those cozy vibes, those sort of chill. But I would say the computer screen looks like my screen. The keyboard does not, because I switched. I used to have a keyboard like that, but I'm using an ergonomic keyboard now. Split. So, not the same. World's best corn, that's me. I need to disable this frickin' statistic thing. Okay, it saves the difficulties. I don't need the hook shot. I'll have the katana, but I need to start using like different items because I need to try every single item, make sure they work. I don't know, we'll bring out the fairy wand, I guess. Wasn't it the fairy wand made them float or something, right? I think that's what it did. Remove their gravity. Yeah, it's like I felt like it added to the RGB vibes. So while it doesn't have your name, because if I just had the end edge of it, it would show your name, but then it just didn't look so good on picture. Okay, that works. No particle system attached to the fairy orb clone. Okay. The drive one might look better. Yeah, I can give it a try. I don't know if I had the drive. I think that was the thing, because I only had the ones that I had downloaded for Detective Penguin. I was just using one of those. Also, good Delphi, I'm mad at you. I'm mad you don't get a blueprint for bringing the cursed fish on the front of the train. Yeah, was there an achievement for that? I forget. Or was there a blueprint inside the room? or something. There was like a blueprint inside the wagon. Or? I forget. Okay, we can just go in here and kill Cowboy Hat Logan instantly. Yeah, I need to change his color of the... I'm pretty good at this. You get the mini gun. Yeah, you defeat the Calgwin, right? No blueprints in the train level. Yeah, maybe I should just hide a blueprint inside the wagon then. Or I mean, I guess I could add a blueprint at the end by bringing the cursed fish. I think that's fair. I think I think part of the reason I didn't want to add blueprints to that level was because oh, hello, TGR. What's up? Part of why I didn't want to add blueprints was because every single level that has blueprints has, like, at least a couple of them. So it just felt, like, pointless to me to add, like, one blueprint to that level. Especially with, like, you know, get all the blueprints in one level achievement. And it's like, oh, well, obviously I'm going to play on a rail for that. So I only have to get one blueprint and then I win, you know? Wait, it's not... Or is it this direction? I forget. Bro, the game looks so good. Thank you. So what's the hidden laser for? Hidden laser in... Which one's the hidden laser room? Remind me. Hello, gaming with Agent. The hidden laser room in the train. As in the... I don't think there's a hidden laser room in the train, is there? I mean, all the idea with all the wagons and stuff is that they're supposed to be like challenges to move through. So the laser ones are like, they trigger poison, right? Yeah, I don't know why these materials just got ruined. I don't know if they're missing or if they're just invalid, but I'm gonna check them out. We're gonna go and rescue the chef now. The good chef. just important to play through these parts to just make sure that, like, you know, the base level things are working. Because we're gonna play through all the levels, so. Jeff? Oh, there you are. And here's gonna be a problem, right? Because we're not gonna be able to pull him when he's standing like this, so you have to knock him out. And then still he won't move. So we'll go here into enemy. If not state is dead and not state is knocked out. That's gonna be the key, because then you can knock them out and drag them around. There we go. Like, is that... I don't know. I'm thinking like... for the chef, he probably should follow you around, right? He should want to follow you. Don't shoot the good chef. I think the two fish one. I think it was like specifically that the editing tricks I think are cool. I enjoy, because I mean I know sort of the different tricks I had to use to pull off some of the edits I did for my videos. So I do like, you know, any video that does those kinds of edits where it's like, you know, two penguins at once, or like any green screen videos. I like all that, you know. Okay, Pongo City, here we go. So this one, you get ass blasted by the turrets, right? That's what speaks to me. Like, I like seeing people doing like tricks with editing within the game, like utilizing the game to do interesting things. Like here they're screwed up. Like this fella here, but is it for all of them or is it just this guy? Like, no, okay, so he works, but these guys are just permanently broken. Not sure why though. Let's see. The debug. So they are probably cold still, unless they aren't, but I would assume they are. is cold. No, so it's not cold. It is simulating physics. And I assume state is active as well then. Where's the state? Here, state is active is true. Okay, so I mean, for all intents and purposes, these guys should be active, but they're not. So let's take a look here. We have is simulating physics. But the joints are not active. It could be that if they became active too early, so simulating physics. Like if we set that to false, all right, excited, Pat. We'll restart the level and see what happens. So like those fellas are coming from where? Here. Or yeah, I mean if so, they seem to be working now. I'm just gonna kill this boss guy. I mean, some of these bosses are such pushovers. I don't know. I should probably like boost them somehow. I don't know. It takes a lot to make a good boss, especially in like an open world scenario. I'm just gonna rescue the mayor and do the bank theft, so we'll just do both. I didn't realize you could shoot these locks, but that's fine. I guess I should make those locks indestructible. I don't know. Kind of makes them absolute pushover. Not really a challenge if you can just shoot everything. There's the mayor, right? Yeah. He doesn't want to follow me. I guess he's... You okay, dude? Shut up. Okay, there's something wrong with the civilians that follow you. We'll have to address that. So I feel like one part that is missing like visually from a lot of the levels is the fact that oh, that needs to be made static. There's no particles. So I like when you can stand in a place and it feels like the world is alive. So what makes this world look alive? If we just analyze this, you know, this place here. Well, you have the fire. You have the fire. You have the moving of the foliage, so the brush here. And you have the fire in the distance. That's what makes this feel alive. But if we add like ambient particles, sort of like dust floating around, or like particles coming up slowly from the blue Arctic lava here or something. You know, there are a bunch of things we can do to make this feel more alive. And I think that's very important for like any game. You have to think of, you know, the fact that a player can stop here, and this is not static, by the way. Let's just do that instantly. I don't know if that's a prefab or what it is, but I don't know what I should have for dinner today. I haven't decided on that yet. Standing platform. Is that a prefab or not? I guess it isn't. Standing platform static. I'm just writing down some notes here. And then mayor movement. I think that's probably it. But like, yeah, here also, I mean, you'd want to have some cave ambience or something. Because these levels are just dead quiet. Like, there's no ambience or anything. Okay, so this... Holy shit! It's just insta-kill. They don't even care. What the... Oh my god. Okay, so has that been like that forever or what? There's just zero hesitation here. Like these are disable at start. Which I think is the thing that's at the cheese it, yeah. Like I don't think it ever shuts itself off. I don't know if it's interacting with something. Like, is it being turned off? Turned on, I mean? That's what I wonder. debug.log turning on. Like there's probably something turning it on always. Yeah, something is turning it on. So it's colliding with something here that's triggering it. We can see what, I guess. Class laser. And then there's well, it interacts with the security system, right? So we can see here security system dot. Well, actually, we might be better off checking here. So it looks at default player and target. I think what we should do is make sure that it actually has a rigid body attached to it. But we can see here, debug log hit dot hit dot transform dot name, because I'm assuming it just hits something random. Yeah, fireball. So it literally just hits the fireball and that's enough for it. Yeah, so hitting the fireball is like, okay, yeah, I hit something. So we can do this. Well, first of all, we can say ignore these layers here, but also if hit dot transform dot get component rigid body doesn't equal null, or rather if it equals null. No. Then we trigger it. Now in 10 seconds they should shut down. Technically. We'll just wait and see. I mean, supposedly. I don't know. We can do debug.log hit.transform.name. Okay, there's nothing being triggered there, so I mean, we'll see. They'll probably still shoot me. Like, are they being interacted with? Debug.log turning on. Well, I guess the thing is that the disable at start checks if the previous state right. Okay, so it will shut down by default in 10 seconds. So really what we should do is the delay start. Okay, so assuming that the player has triggered the system, we can do a private coroutine shutdown routine, or yeah, shutdown routine. So we do shutdown routine equals this, and it does that just automatically. It starts one, and then we say there and shutdown routine null. And we can do if shutdown routine doesn't equal null. Oh shit. Shutdown routine dots or stop coroutine. Copy this. And then here, look for target, I think. If state is aiming and shoot timer is less. Then as long as it shoots, well, so if state is aiming, then we'd want to do a shutdown routine. Now, I don't know if that's going to work. We'll see. We'll wait 10 seconds and see if it shuts down. Sounds like it did. Ah! Okay. Oh, I guess I should have just continued playing there. But you can get the mayor at least. So we know that. But let's see here. Well, what sort of issues might we have? Right. Okay, wait. Well, I don't think we need like a shutdown routine. That's the thing. We don't need a routine. We can just do a private float last fired shot. And then we do here last fired shot equals time.time. Otherwise, there, oops. Last fired shot equals time.time. And then in fixed update network, if time.time minus last fired shot or it should be in there, I guess. Or even in here. It's bigger than 10 seconds, right? Then, dude, Full line completion runs locally. Yeah, but what is full line completion? No, I don't want full line completion. I think that's stupid. So if last fired shot greater than 10, then the state.active is false. And yeah, I think that's the key here. Le monkey. Oh shit, okay. I've been getting like TikTok messages and haven't seen them. Probably have. Live has ended.